strips. It should be same. Next, join 5mm 12 strips. Take a Fevicol bottle and roll it up to 12 strips. My one strip length is 28 cm. Make total 5. Total 5 rings. Now make a little dome shape. Apply glue on it. Make same to another. Now connect to one another as shown in the video. Then connect all the rings. Connect all the rings with one another as shown in video. Now lastly connect the dome. It covers the body. Now take a piece of paper and apply glue on it. Now wrap to the body. Cover whole body as shown in the video with paper. Now the base body is ready. Now join 5mm 15 strips and make a shape face as shown in the video. Apply glue on it. Here we are making face of elephant. Apply glue. Now make same 3mm 15 strips. Make a little dome shape. Then apply glue on it. And connect with one another. Now join 5mm 4 strips. Here I am making trunk and make a cone shape. Here I am making a trunk of elephant. Make little bend. Give a little shape to the trunk. Now connect to the face. Apply glue neatly. Now connect the trunk to face. Now connect the face to the base body. It will take some time to dry. Let it dry. Now join 25mm 4 strips and make roll as shown in the video. Here I am making legs for elephant. For making elephant I am using A4 size papers and cutting into the strips. Now join 3mm 10 strips. Here I am making ears and make a dome shape and make a ears as shape. Apply glue on it. Make 2 ears. Attach ears to the face. Now ears are ready. Now connect legs to the base body. All 4 decorated red color paper with some golden sheet. Now decorate with some golden sheet for the elephant as shown in the video. Now take a 2 mm strip and wrap it as shown in the video. Here I am making a tail for elephant. Close it with glue. Now connect to the body. Now paint the ears as light pink. My tail. Now attach some lotus flower on trunk. Now join 3 mm half strip. Here I am making tusk for the elephant. Make a little bend shape. Apply glue on it. Make 2. Now attach tucks to the elephant. Now paint the eyes. Now the elephant is ready. Here I made 2 elephants. For Gajalakshmi. For making Lakshmi Mata, please check in my YouTube channel. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel for more interesting craft videos. Thank you.